We'll guide you through how to connect a camera to a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do because you can then go and record yourself or have video meetings. So we're going to guide you through this. To get started, you can go and mount it on top of your laptop. I've already done that. It'll have like a pinch grip you can grip it on with, and you can then go and plug it in. Now, what we need to do is make sure the camera is enabled. So you can come down and press the Windows Start button. In here, go and find Settings. Scroll down on the left and find Privacy and Security. Scroll down into App Permissions and find Camera. Switch on Camera Access and let apps access your camera and switch these on here. Then what you can do is you can come down and press Search, then come to the Start button, but this time right click on it, and you need to go and find Device Manager. You can go and find Camera over to the left here, and you can go and expand it by pressing the arrow. Find the camera you've plugged in, right click on it, make sure it says Disable, meaning it's enabled. If this is enabled, click there. Then you can go and find the built-in camera. This is called Integrated. It may have a different name for you, but you can right click on it and disable it. Confirm the decision. Now this should now be the default camera because you've plugged it in, that's the only one. Now we can press search at the bottom and we can type in camera just to go and test it out, and you can go and open the camera, and now it should be working.